peaches are finally in season, here is a tasty, savory dish with them.
Peaches. Yellow flesh peaches. Honey. Espelette. Some apple cider vinegar. Kosher salt. This right here is bulgur. Imagine almost like a quinoa texture, and it's super easy to cook. Cup of bulgur, and then about double that of boiling water. Now all you do is you just let this sit for around 30-45 minutes. Now I'm gonna make a pesto. Basil and sunflower seeds, lemon juice, Parmesan. Season it with some more lemon juice and salt if it needs it. And there we go, a lazy pesto. That's a fucking good bite. I am gonna eat this whole thing because it's really good. My God, why are peaches so good? Wow. Guys, this is money. Okay, I gotta stop after this. It's just so good. I don't even know what to say. And this stuff is so easy to make. Just pour the boiling water on top.